Eastern parishes continue to feel the brunt of heavy rains. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, major police investigation on the way over voice notes threatening mayhem in Spanish Town.
Clarendon Police denies station is the source of foul odor in Maypen.
Traffic police go after individuals with outstanding tickets.
And in the financial week, a bigger push for a ganja industry.
There's also international stories, bite of the week, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
Do you think the increased police presence around schools will deter crime against students?
You can also share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.